Recording at 8320 Woolcott Avenue South, looking upstream at line on north side of house, or going towards north side of house, pulling back. Then we will go up cast iron on south side of house, going up to capped line, which is where the clean out access is in the basement, or the crawl space, From there we will pull back and go downstream into the existing liner from the work done in 2021 and 2019.